guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted my first video, and I guess I should say my last video that I posted. I just haven't had time at all. It's just been so crazy. I have a move coming up, and that's next month, so I've been busy with trying to prepare for that. I've been busy with work because I do work on Monday to Friday, and my weekends have just been crazy. We've had plans, we've had things going on, and when I am free, my husband's at home, and when he's at home, it's really hard for me to film videos because he's probably watching football and it's probably loud and crazy, to be honest. So finally have some quiet time while he's at work, and I can finally get this video out, which I'm super excited about. This video will specifically be about my makeup and beauty inventory, so it'll only be actual makeup products and beauty products, not so much skincare in this one. I might do a separate one for that. I'm pretty good with my skincare in the sense of I don't overbuy things. I do have things I need to use up, and so that will be a no buy for me as well this year unless I'm replacing. But the main purpose of me doing the no buy for 2019 is so that I don't buy more makeup and I actually use up products that I have. And I'm going to do this video in kind of a way where I'm not actually going to show my products because there's just way too many. But I will give you, I guess, the counts of what I have in each category in my inventory. And if you guys are interested, I can do more of a collection and storage video some other day. But right now, because I'm moving, probably not the best idea until I get that storage in check. But if you just want to see what I have in my collection, I'm more than happy to do that video. But getting into this one, the numbers are really scary. It actually makes me really sick to my stomach how much makeup I have for this one face. It's a lot. You would think that I was a starting up makeup artist, or that I had makeup for like 10, 15, 20 different people. It's a lot. I don't know how I'm going to get through all of this, but let's get into the nitty gritty numbers. So we'll start with my primers. I have 12 primers in my collection. However, I do have a few that are just little sample size ones, which I know I can get through super quick. But my only hesitation with using those is that I like to keep those for travel purposes. So I am going to be using a few of the older ones that I know probably won't be good by the next time that I travel. So I will use those up. But if I do have ones where I feel like I can probably use those the next time I travel, I'll probably just, keep them stored away or something until I have to get to them. So I have 12 primers. I'm currently working on 2 of them. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave that for my next video. My next video is going to be a project pan video. I'm really excited about that. A few of the products that I've already hit pan on. You'll see more in that video, so stay tuned for the next one. I'm going to continue with my inventory for this one. I have 11 foundations, 10 concealers. I have 6 powder products, and that's just like setting powders. I have 5 bronzers. I have 13 blushes. For highlights, I'm going to do it in 3 different categories. I have 6 powder single highlights. I have 5 highlight palettes, and these are kind of highlight contour palettes, but I categorize them all together because they're face palettes. I have 8 liquid highlighters. I have 6 setting sprays. I have 14 eyeshadow palettes, and I have 41 single eyeshadows. Can you believe that? I have 41 single eyeshadows. A lot of those are very old, so those need to be used up. I have 15 pigments and glitters. I compiled that into one category, but altogether there's 15 of those like loose shadow type products. I have 3 liquid eyeliners, which isn't too bad. I have 5 gel or cream eyeliners, like, you know, those ones in the little pots. I have 9 eyeliner pencils, which I don't use a lot of eyeliner pencils, so that's a lot for me. That's going to be hard to get through. I have 3 eyeshadow bases. I have 11 mascaras, all of which are not open or being used. So I think I only have 2 that have opened right now that are kind of going back and forth, but I might toss one of them and just focus on the one. I have 3 brow products. I have 25 bullet lipsticks. I have 34 liquid lipsticks. And the sad part about this is I feel like I'm not that much into liquid lipstick anymore, and I'm moving back into regular bullet lipsticks, lip glosses. I have some lip creams too, which aren't so much of a like super matte drying formula, so those I do like. I might use those up. But I have 34 liquid lipsticks. How do I plan to use those up? You know what I mean? Like, I'm one person, and liquid lipstick, what frustrates me that my collection has so many of them is that because some of them are so long lasting, and I find that I normally don't reapply them very much. I shouldn't have 34, and that makes me so sick to my stomach. But I have 34. So along the process, you know, I'll probably use some. I might get sick of some. I might not enjoy some of the colors, so I may declutter them by giving them away to my mom or just throwing them out or whatever needs to be done, depending on how old they are. But I do think all of the liquid lipsticks that I own have been purchased in the last like year or so. There's one that I have that might be slightly older, so I might have to check on that one and see if it's going bad, and I might have to toss that. I have 20 lip liners, and how much is a girl gonna line your lips, you know? So I've actually been filling my lips in with my lip liner. That's something I've always done, but now I'm keeping mind of doing it more so that I can actually try and use those up. And then lastly, my lip glosses. I have 13 lip glosses. So that makes for a grand total of 278 beauty products. 278 products. I don't know how I'm going to use that all up, but I'm going to have to, and it's just, I'm going to have to persevere. I'm going to have to wear makeup every day or figure out some way to do it where my skin's not going to go crazy on me, and I have to give it a break as well. So that is my makeup inventory, and that is what I'm starting with at the beginning of 2019. So we'll crunch down the numbers in December and see how it went, and I'm hoping, I mean, a lot of these I know I can't cut in half, but some of them maybe I can. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. But that's something I'm definitely looking forward to doing. I need to go wipe my face off. I've been wearing this makeup way too long today. But I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you had a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. And I hope that things are looking well for you in 2019 so far. If you're doing a no-buy, let me know how you're doing so far. Have you cracked? Have you bought something? Or are you still doing good? Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button down below. And you know, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe. I would really appreciate if you did. And that way you can see more of my videos pop up in your subscription box. And share this video with anyone that you think it might be helpful to. I mean, it's probably not helpful that I have 278 makeup products. I don't think anyone really wants to hear about that, but maybe someone would be amused by it, or maybe it would motivate someone to start a no-buy of their own. Anyways, I'm going to head off now, but stay tuned for my Project Pan 2019 video. That will be my next one most likely.